our math, we're going to practice some vocabulary. Can you say vocabulary? Vocabulary. Vocabulary is when you learn special words that we use at school, academic words. And those words make you sound like a super smart grown-up mathematician. You don't want to say the thingamajig is biggy-o-wiggy. No, you'll sound like a baby. You want to say the object on the right is larger than the object on the left, which is smaller. See how you can sound fancy with big math words? Here are the words we're going to learn today. All right, look at those red words on top. They say bigger and biggest. If something is a little bit more big than another thing, we say it's bigger. But if it's the biggest one of all, like you have 50 things and this one is the most big of all of the things, then we don't say it's bigger, we say it's the biggest. Let's go over the other words too. We also have smaller, smallest, longer, longest, shorter, shortest, larger, that means bigger or largest, smaller and smallest, and then at the bottom we have left and right. Sometimes we want to describe objects based on where they are in the picture. Are they on the left or the right? Notice I put the word left all the way on the left side of the page and the word right all the way on the right side.
When Bob Shops. Written by Carolyn Fleck. Illustrated by Jenny B. Harris. Bob wants the biggest bear. Which bear does Bob buy?
Bob wants the biggest bear. Which bear does Bob buy? You can say the biggest bear is Make sure you practice using the word biggest. Which bear is the biggest?
Biggest?
Which bear is the smallest? You can say the bear is the smallest. That's right. This bear is the smallest. What could you say about this bear in the middle, the purple bear? Try and use the word bigger and the word smaller. That's right. The purple bear is bigger than this bear, but smaller than this bear.
Bob needs a smaller size. Which shirt does Bob buy?
Look at those shirts. Which shirt is smaller? Make a sentence using the word smaller. That's right. This shirt is smaller. The shirt on the left. Look, this is the left. This is the right. When we write in writing, we start on the left. You can say the shirt on the left is smaller.
Smaller? Bob wants the longest sandwich. Please don't forget the mayo. Which sandwich does Bob buy? Longest?
Let's look at that word longest. Which of these sandwiches is the longest? Make a sentence using the word longest. That's right. The sandwich on the bottom is the longest. Which sandwich is the shortest? Yes, this sandwich is the shortest. The sandwich on the left. What about the sandwich on the right? Can you make up a sentence that tells about the length of this sandwich? Use the word shorter and longer. Yes, this sandwich is shorter than the sandwich on the bottom, but longer than the sandwich on the left. You say it. Use words like shorter, longer, left, and right.
Bob wants the largest umbrella.
Which umbrella is the largest? Largest is another word for biggest. Use words like left and right. Which of these umbrellas is the largest? Yes, the purple umbrella on the right is the largest. What can you say about this umbrella on the left? You can say the umbrella on the left is, yes, the umbrella on the left is the smallest. What sentence could you say about this umbrella in the middle? Yeah, this umbrella is larger than the one on the left, but smaller than the one on the right.
Which one will he buy? Largest?
Look at them dancing. That's so silly. Those are some silly looking animals.